Hey you guys, I am back with number 2 foundation for Foundation February. This is going to be a mass brand. It's called Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Cushion Foundation. It has an SPF 15. It contains natural coconut derivative and it gives a luminous, lightweight, and buildable coverage with a hydrating formula. I have been looking at this for a while. I know it's not brand new. I did say in my previous video that I haven't tried any mass brands in a lot of years, and I haven't. But I am intrigued by, the different marketing things that they put out, and it always piques my curiosity. I have wanted to try this foundation. So, without further ado, here we go. Before I try this on, I did want to touch on the Hourglass. I said I was going to wear it, give it another day. You guys, I love it. Great foundation. I do think there are 2 key things to know about this foundation: the amount of product and the application. The amount that they suggest that you use is a half a pump. And I said in my last, that's a challenge. I said that in my last video. It's a challenge to like half a pump. But the next day, as you get familiarized, sometimes I know some of you don't even know how much you're using. So you'll get that feel. I had the perfect amount yesterday. On the application, I still use the Sigma brush, and I loved that in that sweeping. I did more of a sweeping motion, so I still didn't do a very full coverage. That's not my deal. I like more of a medium coverage. I loved it. I really loved it. It stayed all day. So all of that to say, there you go. There's my 2 cents about Hourglass. I think it's worth the 56 bucks, honestly. It's a beautiful foundation. On to Mega Cushion with Wet n Wild. This, I believe, is $9. I got it at Ulta. It is a hydrating formula, something that I'm used to. I'm just opening it for the first time. My challenge here was, did I get the right color? I have no idea. That's the only bummer about mass brands. And honestly, that's probably why I never went back, because I gotta try it on. I mean, color is very important, right? You wanna feel it on the skin. I know some mass brands are now, they're now doing testers, which is super cool. Like if you go to Ulta, I don't know if they have that in CVS and Target, but I know in Ulta, you can actually try some of the L'Oreal stuff. That's huge. So back to this. Cushion, SPF 15, hydrating formula. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Oh my gosh, it looks dark. Woo! So it looks dark. We'll see what it looks like on. I tried my best. This is the nude beige. It's a light, medium, warm. Definitely not on the cool side. I think natural. I was going to go for natural because I'm usually a natural undertone. The natural said cool, which scared me because we don't want any pink because I already got pink. So let's get into it. I mean, not much to say. They, great reviews online. Hydrating. Coconut. I love all that stuff. So I have everything done. I'm going to put on my concealer. I am going to use the Cover FX Power Play today. I have N-Light 2. So I'm just going to use that real quick. Woo! This is kind of full coverage, so I hope I'm going to thin it out with my Fix It and Forget It and sponge, so not real worried. This is warmer than my Lancome one I used with Hourglass, so I chose this one. What concealers do you guys use? I am always, I'll be honest, I haven't found my perfect concealer. Is there one? I have no idea. But I always like a hydrating, and I don't care the coverage, honestly. If it's full coverage, I can sheer it out. I don't have a problem doing that because I always use a sponge with the setting spray. Okay, so concealer is complete. Hold on just a second because my phone buzzed. I am a mom. Okay, sorry. I've already prepped my face, so I am ready. I'm gonna use the Sigma 3D HD blender on one side, and then I'm gonna use the little sponge that they put on the other side. Now, in the reviews, again, 5 stars, really, really good reviews. It's so compact, great for travel. So this is something that I would use. I've used a cushion foundation before. Oh, this color's pretty. I think that'll work. Check out this sponge. So it's got hard edges on it. And so just like that brush that I used with Hourglass, you can get right in and not mess up your brows, which is a nice little treat. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is the kind of finish I like. So they said it's buildable. So I'm gonna let this set for just a minute. I'm gonna go in with the sponge that they give because, you know, what if I needed to do this? I've used cushions before, and the ones I've used is Laneige and Lancome, and I'm really a fan of a cushion foundation. So that's why I've been excited to try this. And I'm a fan of coconut water or coconut anything. Oh my goodness. It's pretty. And I'm happy with the color. So typically it's my day off. So this is a perfect day to try this. How it wears. It's not something that claims to be long wearing. But I have said in the past, I normally do not have a problem with my foundation staying. I really, really try my best to take care of my skin. I'm gonna give this other side one more little layer. See how much I can build it up. I mean, it's so easy. What is that, like a 2-minute application? You guys, I'm impressed. Okay, we'll see. Again, it doesn't claim to, you know, stay all day, all of that. You can actually touch up. And I was reading, we're gonna see how it creases. That will be the best thing for me, because I've got some creasy areas. Okay, I'm gonna do my bronzer and blush off camera, and I'll come right back to you, okay? Okay, let me do that real quick. This is beautiful. Man, it's really, really pretty. Why haven't I tried it before? Okay, so I'm back. I have everything on: bronzer, blush, lips, foundation. We're gonna go out for the day, and I will come back. Again, this is not really a long wearing test. It's not transfer free. It's not 24-hour wear. It's a hydrating formula that is an on-the-go, great, something for foundation, great to have like in the summertime when you're out and about. So that's typically what I'm looking at it for. You always want your foundation to last. So I will see you in, I don't know, 8 hours or so. Hey guys, so it is 8:28 p.m. and it has been over 8 hours that I've been wearing this foundation. This is the Mega Cushion by Wet n Wild. I love it. Like, I really love it. It's awesome. But it doesn't claim to stay on all day, but it's done a, you know, fairly good job. Could I have touched? I haven't touched anything. I haven't touched up at all. Look at this eyeshadow. I have not touched it for 8 hours. Can you just see, Ness? Can you look at that? I'm gonna look down. Okay, don't look at my matureness of the eyes. Look at the color. That has not budged. It's so, I love it. It is the Sigma. Okay, so I had not tried Sigma eyeshadows, and I know this is not about that, but I have been loving my eyeshadow all day. It's so pretty. This is the Warm Neutrals Volume 2. I'm just gonna show it to you really quickly. What's on my lid is this green, and in the corner is this, it's like a bronzy gold. I know this video is not about that, but I even posted on stories, and I'm not a super selfie kind of gal, but I just couldn't stop with this shadow. It's just so beautiful. I don't know. I can't even keep talking about it. It's really, I love it. I love it, Sigma.
He is a good and smart master, and he made me this collar so that I may talk. Squirrel!
So, you know, could I touch up around this area? For sure. But it doesn't claim to last this long. So for lasting as good as it did for as long as it did, it's phenomenal. I was even at a shopping area in a cosmetic store, and the girl was like, I was looking at some other foundations because, you know, it's foundation February. I was looking at some other foundations, and she goes, well, what are you wearing right now? It looks beautiful. I was like, well, I'm wearing Wet n Wild, the cushion. I didn't say earlier, it is cruelty free. Pretty awesome. I was looking over the ingredients. They're not too bad either. So you can research all of that. I don't really get into that aspect of things, but they are a cruelty-free line, which is pretty cool too. It's really an awesome foundation. I will take it on vacation with me. 100%, hands down. Like, I've got some foundation sticks because I wanted those for travel, but I don't know. Like this, it's awesome. I love the color. I love the wear. I love it. It's really beautiful. We were discussing on the uses of this product and how we think it would be best used. If you are on the go and say you're in school, like it actually says to reapply after 2 hours, to freshen it up after 2 hours. So clearly they're not looking at long wear. If you're super oily, you're not gonna like it. I believe it is water-based, but I don't know. I got the box right here. What am I doing? I didn't even know this. I was just kind of looking on here to see some more details about the product. I didn't even know this. Check this out. Ness, can you zoom in? America's #1 cushion foundation. I guess that's why I love it. This is $9. You could grab 2. I mean, honestly, for my average cost of foundation is close to $50. I could buy 5 of these and just have them all over the house. So is this going to replace my current foundation? No, because I love my Taunt Miracle. I really, really do. Although, I really love Hourglass too. I don't know, after this whole month, I might have to use a different foundation every week. I mean, it's gonna be crazy. Anyways, I did read a review that the person said there wasn't enough product. I'll probably pop it in my purse. It does say keep it out of extreme heat. I think it's a great vacation partner. If I was going on a field trip, if you're a student, a college student, throw one in your backpack and just touch up. I mean, it's light enough that you could just touch up with it. If you like a dewy foundation, this is awesome. Yay to Wet n Wild. Woo, 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 woo. Like, really great product. Try the product out. Let me know. I mean, $9. $9. Hit that bell to be notified. I actually had someone that I talk to all the time that went, oh my gosh, Darla, I didn't even know that you were posting. I missed a few of the episodes and I realized my bell wasn't clicked. I've got homework for you. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, and share, please. Will you please share? This is all fun, but it's work too. I love doing it. It's fun work. I want to share with as many people as would like to hear. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.